NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making shrimp fried rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of cooked extra small shrimp. They're already peeled and deveined. 2 cups of day-old long grain white rice. 1 small onion diced. 1/2 cup of frozen peas and carrots. 2 eggs scrambled. 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. I have 3 tablespoons of canola oil. You want to separate it. You want 1 tablespoon and then another bowl with 2 tablespoons. 2 large garlic cloves minced. 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a heated wok, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. You want that to come to temperature. Now we're going to add our eggs in. We want to cook them for 2 minutes. After they're done, you want to remove them and set them to the side. Now you want to add in your 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our shrimp. To the shrimp, we're going to add our black pepper and also our salt. We're going to let that cook for 2 minutes. We're going to make sure the salt and pepper is all the way through your shrimp. Mix it until it's well combined. Now you can remove your shrimp and set them to the side. Now we're going to add in our onions, our minced garlic, and also our ginger paste. We're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add in your frozen peas and carrots. Saute for 1 minute. Now you can add in your 2 cups of rice. Go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. We'll let that cook for about 2 minutes. Now you can add in your egg and shrimp. Go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. You can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Let it cook for about 1.5 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our shrimp fried rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.